Will anybody have a glass of water? Could you get a glass of water, please? It's probably right over here. Thank you. I should have the presence of mind to bring some water with me, shouldn't I? This is a little story. I said bring some water because I'm 18 years dry this year. So this is a little song called Long Awaited Rain. Long awaited rain falling from the sky, wash away the pain, wipe the tears from your eye, feel its cleansing power, take my sins away. Long awaited rain at the end of the day. Now I've been a journeyman to sorrow and to grief, kept a loaded bottle close up to my teeth, danced with the devil till he took all I had, turned my heart to Jesus when everything went bad. Shine your light upon me, Lord, light my dusty way. Glory, hallelujah, isn't hard for me to say. The monkey on my back got stoned and fell away. Outside it may be raining, but I'm dry another day. Long awaited rain falling from the sky, wash away the pain, wipe the tears from your eye, feel its cleansing power, take my sins away. Long awaited rain at the end of the day. Oh, long awaited rain at the end of the day. Oh.